richer than I ever
Well, let's go under the bridge.
I'm richer than I ever been. I find it. There I go right there. There's a little part right there. I was talking about the other part, like when you go by the zoo, when you leave the zoo. The little, that one thing. It really don't matter. My stomach start growling. I just like raw. It really don't matter.
I'm turning.
I don't know shit. Like I don't know. And I ain't a bad driver because we going into the trees.
Oh. Yeah. Y'all need a pedal.
I don't know. Who's going that way? Where we going?
That way?
Yeah, dog. I said
yeah. But you're going this way, but they're about to make us crash into the trees.
Child, look.
Jeez.
They coming back this way.
There's a whole bunch of lyrics work out right here.
Good. You need it.
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
You need it. I'm definitely gotta do this again. Motherfucker. You gotta paddle too, man.
Who?
I don't care where we go. At this point, I don't care where we go. We can go find our uncle.
Let's go this way.
I don't care where we go. I just wanna go.
Turn the wheel. Where we going?
Come on, man. Paddle right.
I was gonna turn.
The fuck you back for? There ain't no car. Oh my God, I don't care where we go at this point.
Actually, look, there's people.
Yeah, look. She need to drive this boat right.
Yeah.
Next time we gotta bring Peaches so she can get on the boat.
Yeah. And I can hold up.
Lose my hat.
Ashley.
I know you put dogs on the boat. What?
You can sit back here.
Yeah, that's what Janai could have been there. He could run there.
I want to steer.
It's a 4-seat boat.
Where we going?
I'm telling you, you can't give me a call. Because I'm not going to pay attention.
No, I don't give a damn. Let's go. How your legs hurt? It take 2 to paddle a boat.
You pedal.
We just got. Boy, leave it alone. We just got. What I'm gonna do is an hour. We just got.
Okay, but like it's not like.
I don't give
It's
it.
not
I don't care.
Track.
I don't care. All we doing is slip paddling for an hour.
We do leg workouts like this at track, but not like this.
All we doing is paddling for an hour.
Our
The dog ain't complaining back there.
Cause they not pedaling.
So he in the back though. He can jump off.
But
Yeah.
at track,
And
we do
dogs-
leg workouts, but these
And
workouts
dogs
don't
can
be
swim.
a whole hour long. Like
Boy.
our practice is long, but gotta
What?
practice for
What?
running.
What?
This boat over there.
I stole my charger back because you had me
Which
messed
way?
up. You had me messed up. It don't even matter. But like I said, I stole my charger back because you had me messed up.
Okay.
So did.
I wasn't using it.
I know you won.
Which way you going?
Oh my God, does it matter?
I mean, it's
I should go live on Facebook.
Yeah, there's way down there. Or down here.
Yay!
Or like a boat one down there.
Yay!
Stop.
Man, I almost told him so.
Talk to mom.
He lucky. Now you want to paddle fast.
Baby, which way you want to
Little croc ass.
This way.
We going this way, I guess. That's what they going that way. They going that way.
go?
Yeah, no,
Yes. This is
don't hurt the duck. You trying to hurt the duck. Leave that thing on the duck. On the boat. We on the boat. We riding. Leslie. That way dirty. I should buy Peaches. That's okay. The only thing about it is I'd be scared they jump in the water though.
That's the reason of the leash.
I'm saying, but still,
Yeah.
like the leash don't help. Motherfucker be hanging, hanging. I think you might want to drive that boat.
Ashley. Ashley, you
Yes,
should
sir.
come here tomorrow, but bring the dog.
When I come back, I'll make sure I come back by myself.
Ashley, I'm
I make
too.
sure, and I'm gonna get a paddle boat. I'm a paddle,
Ashley, I'm coming too.
like for real. I'm still telling him he can get on. It's like 4 passengers.
Yeah, you
Cause like they just blew me.
you go.
Cause
My
this,
legs hurt.
this, cause the water don't want us to go. You better hurry up.
Duck.
Jesus. Yeah. Look how you looking at us. Y'all hear me? I'm gonna punch y'all lips.
That's Janiah steering. That's a fire truck.
I did that. Come back out here. Man, you don't motherfucker paddle.
My legs hurt.
I can't paddle. You not paddling. You should got you a paddle boat.
I'm not gonna. Let's you steer.
Fuck you staring for? We in the front.
You can have
I'm gonna steer.
No, that way.
First of all, you're not doing it right. Where we going? Jesus.
You're the one to paddle.
Leave it over there.
Just the water. Yay.
Nobody cares.
Go up under the bridge.
can.
They ain't not goddamn way. You trying to go up under the bridge.
Yeah. And so you get all soaked up. See? Here.
You got a doggy.